Welcome everybody to our MineTracker overview today. I'd also like to welcome you to our first podcast here. What we're going to talk about today is a quick overview of the MineTracker software. And the vision of MineTracker software actually began about 4 years ago. My visit to about 18 different mining countries. And I saw a pattern and technology that was missing in all these mines, where they were using several systems with no connection to manage information and data coming up from underground. So we've solved that problem here with MineTracker. And if we look at the screen here, we have a mine map of a mine underground. This mine map is imported directly from AutoCAD or a DXF file, which the majority of the mines in the world use today. And it allows us to view personnel underground. And we can look at where the people are located. We can click on a person and we can get their information panel here. So we know the name of the person, the job title, and where that person is located underground. And that person we've selected is highlighted by this yellow circle. We can also turn on the Show Labels button and we can see the names of everybody as they move underground. This system here can work over Wi-Fi or Leaky Feeder technology. And we do provide the same functionality for vehicles underground. Same idea, when we click on a vehicle, we get their information, but we can actually bring up a dashboard showing the engine temperature, speed, RPM, bucket weights, how many times the brakes have been applied, hydraulic pressures, and so on. We can bring up actually 16 different gauges for the trucks. We also provide network diagnostics, so we can see exactly where our access points or our data points are located underground. For quick diagnostics, quick maintenance and repair of the system, we can click on these access points, and again we can pull up a dashboard of diagnostic information on those devices. So we can monitor and control fans and pumps underground. And if we click on this fan, again, really easy to operate, one click of a button, we can turn on the fan. And we've actually controlled this fan underground. We see that the fan is up to speed because it has drawn full current. We can stop and start the fan. This can be used also for responsible ventilation, where we can monitor the fans underground and have the software determine whether the fans need to be running or not, or at what speed, based on where people are located and where vehicles are located. MineTracker is also a safety system. So in a mine evacuation or in a mine emergency, one click of a button, we're quickly able to see how many people are still located underground. Again, you can drill down deeper in the software with a click of a button and you can find out who those people are and where they're located. The software has many different alerting systems as well. You can alert for man down. You can alert if a fan is operating that doesn't need to be operating for responsible ventilation, network diagnostics. So quick recap of what we're doing. We are tying any data source underground, whether it be fixed assets, mobile assets, dashboards, all in one system. And there's a future path, future steps in the software. We're going to offer text messaging, different integrated solutions. And it's definitely what the mining industry has been looking for. And join me again for our next podcast. We'll be going into depth further with MineTracker and our solutions.